Hey, beauty lovers! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we make beauty simple, smart, and accessible. Today, we're diving into a little something that might not get the limelight, but trust me, it's a game changer if you're all about maintaining your grooming tools in top-notch shape. We're talking about the Remington SP-360 Women's Shaver Replacement Foil Screens and Cutters. If you've been using your Remington shaver for a while, you probably know that replacement parts are a key to keeping everything running smoothly. So let's break down what these replacement screens and cutters bring to the table. The Remington SP-360 set is designed for several of Remington's most popular women's shaver models, including the WDF-1200, WDF-1600, WDF-3500, WDF-3600, WDF-5500, WDF-6000, and WDF-7000Cs. What you're getting here is a set of replacement foil screens and cutters. These parts are essential for maintaining the effectiveness and efficiency of your shaver. If you're like me, you probably know that as your shaver's blades wear down, the quality of the shave tends to decrease too. So, switching out your old blades for fresh ones every 6 months is recommended for optimal performance. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. If you've ever used a shaver for a long time, you know that over time, the blades can become dull, leading to a less smooth shave. That's exactly what happened to me with my Remington WDF-3500 model. After about 6 months of consistent use, the performance definitely started to dip. The hair didn't cut as cleanly, and the shaver wasn't as effective in gliding across my skin. After swapping in the SP-360 replacement screens and cutters, it felt like a brand new shaver. The smoothness and precision returned, and I could feel the difference immediately. Installation was straightforward. No complicated steps or tools required. I followed the simple instructions included in the packaging, and within minutes, I had my shaver back in action. The screens and cutters fit perfectly and didn't require any adjustment. One thing to note, though, is that this replacement kit is only for specific models, so be sure you check the compatibility before purchasing. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of the Remington SP-360 replacement foil screens and cutters. Pros: easy to install with no complicated steps. Great compatibility with multiple Remington women's shaver models. Restores shaving performance to like-new quality. Affordable replacement option to extend the life of your shaver. Cons: not compatible with all shaver models, so double-check the compatibility list. You'll need to replace the blades every 6 months for optimal performance. While that's the ideal recommendation, it can feel like a bit of an upkeep task if you're not someone who loves maintenance. As for the value for money, I'd say this replacement kit is definitely worth it if you want to keep your Remington shaver running in peak condition. The price is relatively low for the benefit you get. Smooth, effective shaving without needing to buy an entirely new unit. Plus, you're extending the life of a high-quality grooming tool, which in my book, makes this a smart buy. When we talk about build quality and longevity, I can't say enough about the durability of these parts. The foil screens and cutters are made to last, and with regular upkeep, like replacing them every 6 months, your shaver should continue to work just as well as it did when you first bought it. As far as customer support, Remington's reputation for handling inquiries is solid, and if you run into issues, their customer service has been known to respond promptly and helpfully. Let's be real though, these types of products don't have many alternatives. If you're using a Remington shaver, this is the replacement kit for you. However, if you're looking to switch brands, there are other replacement parts for similar shaver models out there, but they may not offer the same value or smooth performance as the Remington replacements. To wrap it all up, the Remington SP-360 Women's Shaver Replacement Foil Screens and Cutters do exactly what they're meant to do. They're affordable, easy to use, and highly effective at bringing your shaver back to life. If you've noticed your shaver's performance slipping, this is the perfect solution to restore it to like-new quality without the need to invest in an entirely new unit. Highly recommend this for anyone with a compatible Remington shaver who wants to keep their grooming routine smooth and efficient. If this review was helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on future reviews. Your support helps us continue making honest reviews just like this one. Thanks so much for watching. And if you've used the Remington SP-360 replacement kit, let me know in the comments below what you thought about it. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.